Welcome to Cutting Edge. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious Mexican rice.
So we stay with our Mexican theme?
Yep, we do. And this is not the last episode on that theme though. We add to our blender, here's 2 small Pomodori tomatoes cut in quarters, half a red onion, a clove of garlic, and then we have a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and then we have 2 tablespoons of Aji Amarillo paste. Should have been achiote paste, but we don't have that. And on another note, we like Aji Amarillo better. So that's a little bit of a twist on the Mexican rice. And then we have 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And finally, 360 milliliter of broth. There we go. And that we're going to blend to a smooth paste. I'm going to add a generous splash of olive oil to a hot cast iron skillet. And to that, I'm adding 240 milliliter of long grain rice that I have washed before to remove the starch from the surface.
What did starch ever do to you?
Nothing, it just makes the rice sticky, and this is not the recipe for sticky rice. And now you want to fry this, and you want to keep stirring because you don't want them to burn. And what we are looking for here is a nice golden color, and you get a smell of toasted rice. When that is achieved, we're going to add our mixture here, but be careful, the pot is very warm and it will create a lot of steam. And now we stir this in and turn the heat down to low. We want this to simmer just a little bit. Stir this around, and then to this I'm going to add a chili pepper, which is cut like this so that it doesn't fall apart, and that's just going to give some flavor, but not very hot spicy flavor, but just a nice chili flavor to the rice. And then we close it up and we leave it for 20 minutes. Time's up. Let's see the result. First let's kill the heat and open this up. Ooh, that looks beautiful. It smells. And look at all the tomato that formed like on top here. Now we're just going to fold it over to mix it in.
That smells really nice.
It smells excellent. It's so beautiful. This is an excellent dish. I just want to fold in the tomato now, as I said. And then what we're going to do is we're going to close it up again. And then we're going to leave it to rest for 10 minutes before we do the taste test. Moment of truth. Just sprinkled over a little bit of cilantro. Let's give this a taste. Amazing flavors. The Aji Amarillo gives a nice little kick to it together with the chili pepper. It's an excellent side dish. You can serve this in burritos, or you can serve it on its own, maybe with some refried beans. It's an excellent dish.